Hey guys, Swagat here. So today's topic is more about a drug which is said to be having a major breakthrough when it comes to the tackling of COVID-19 virus. Now, this drug has been flashing around the news for quite some time and is said to be having some promising effect when it comes to dealing with COVID-19 virus. So without any further ado, let's talk about this drug and the latest development that has taken place. But before I start, let me tell you that this article has been approved and published by the WHO and the FDA India as of 15th May 2020. Two quick questions. First, is Favipiravir a vaccine? The answer, no. Second, is Favipiravir a new drug? Answer, no. Favipiravir, or it's also known as T705 or Avigin, or also as Favipiravir, was actually made alongside another drug, Remdesivir, and which was originally made for the cure of Ebola, but it was later found out to be an ineffective drug. But when it was introduced to having an antiviral action, it was found that it had quite a good effect when it comes to stopping of the viral replication. To know about its action, we need to know its chemical name, which is pyroxene carboxamide. It's technically a prodrug for pyrazinamide, but it has been added with rifampicin, isoniazid, streptomycin, and ethambutol. Well, these drugs are technically used for treating of tuberculosis, but the actions of COVID-19 and tuberculosis, the symptoms which they show, are quite similar. They affect the airway. Now, talking about their mode of action, you must be thinking, oh, it's antiviral, maybe it must be killing viruses. No, that's not how it works. Let me tell you this in a simple way. The thing which has a body can be killed. For example, bacteria. If its cell wall is broken, yeah, it can be killed. But viruses, they are just a genomic structure, that is single-stranded RNA. This genomic structure as an individual is actually inert until it finds a host body. And when it finds its host body, it uses the host's immune system to replicate itself. And the most dangerous thing about this virus is this fact that this virus has a great replication rate. That is, it can reproduce at a very large scale and very fast. What this drug does is that it inhibits the viral RNA polymerase. As a result, the virus, it cannot replicate itself. As a result, the proliferation of the virus is terminated and the host's immune response, that is the interferon and the NK cells, can work more efficiently when there's a limited amount of these viruses left in the body. So basically, it's still your own immune system which is still fighting. So basically, your own immune system has been fighting until now, and this drug just helps for your immune system to limit the target that has to be killed. You must be asking, why is this drug being used now and why not before when it already existed? Well, for that, just know the earlier drugs that we used were chloroquine, oseltamivir, and the navirs. The chloroquine is an anti-malarial drug, oseltamivir is used for swine flu, and all the navirs, they are used for HIV. These drugs, they had similar actions, and hence we came to know we need to stop at this step so that it doesn't affect any further. And why we did not use this drug before? It's because it was not approved. Although all these drugs have protease inhibitor activities, not every drug can be just given although they are found. It takes time for a drug to get into the market after it has been tried, tested. While these drugs were being used, Favipiravir, it was being tried and tested. It takes 4 steps for a drug to come into the market and to check whether it can be used or not. Right now, it's on the 3rd stage, where it clearly signifies that it has been tested for its potency, efficacy, the toxicity level at a higher dose, the doses that is required. Now, Favipiravir is being used and tested on patients, and I hope that this drug brings a positive effect for dealing with this COVID-19 virus. So yes, when it comes to management, this drug has shown that it has a lot of potential. But still, prophylaxis is the best. So the best course of prophylaxis until now is quarantine. So please do not complain when they say that the lockdown has been extended. It's being extended because of our own actions. When you look at the statistics, you'll find out that the younger patients who do not have any comorbid conditions do recover from this illness. But let me tell you this virus has not spread because it has a very fast rate of transmission. It has a very fast rate of reproduction, and by the time you realize the symptoms, you must have already infected a lot many around you. That's why please stay home and stay safe. Now please do not say that, no, I'm staying at home, it's that idiot who is going out. Let me tell you this one thing, that it doesn't work that way. Each and every individual has to contribute its own part for dealing with this virus. Remember, it's not spreading by a faster route. Influenza and SARS, they had a faster route, but still we tackled them. So of course we can even tackle this virus, but we need to work together for this. Know this, that humans can be divided by caste, creed, race, religion. But let me tell you that anatomically and physiologically we all humans are same. We are no different from each other in any way. And trust me, even though we might be discriminating among ourselves, the virus takes the value of equality very seriously. Let me use this opportunity to tell you one thing. I come from a land where there are very diverse religions: Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Sikhs, Jain, Buddhist. And I live in a country where there are various other religions like Orthodox Christianity, Judaism, and other different practices. Let me clarify you one thing about each and every religion. Your God, they do not exist in this plane. They exist in a different world where we would like to reach after we die. If we die right now because of this silly virus, even those gods will laugh at us, and they will also say that all you had to do is stay at home. So please, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. If you like this video, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and more content will be coming soon. Thank you.